The EHang 184 is a small flying vehicle made by a Chinese company called EHang. It was introduced in 2016 and is built to carry one person without needing a pilot. You just use a smartphone. You just use a smartphone app to pick where you want to go, and it flies there by itself. It has 8 electric propellers and can carry a person weighing up to 100 kilograms. The drone can fly for about 23 minutes and travel at speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour. It was one of the first self-flying passenger drones made to change how people travel in the future.
Vortex Orbital Transport is a new reusable spaceplane developed by Vortex DAW Aviation. It was revealed at the Paris Air Show and is designed to change how we travel to and from space. The name Vortex stands for Vehicle Orbital, and the aircraft is built to launch on top of a rocket, fly in low Earth orbit, and land safely on a runway, just like an airplane. Supported by the French military and the European Space Agency, ESA, Vortex is created for multiple tasks, like carrying cargo, refueling satellites, supporting space stations, and even cleaning up space junk. The project is being developed in stages, starting with smaller models and aiming to build a full-sized version that can carry people by 2040. It is being funded by France's Defense Ministry and ESA's Explore 2040 program. This spacecraft is a big step toward giving Europe its own flexible and affordable way to access space. With this technology, Europe can become more independent in space missions, while also helping to make space travel more efficient and sustainable. Vortex shows how smart design and international support can.
Apple's Vision OS 2.4 makes the Vision Pro headset even better with smart new features. It adds AI tools that help you write, reply to messages and emails faster, and create fun Genmoji and memory videos. The new Image Playground lets you make creative images easily. There's also a stunning spatial gallery app to view photos and videos in 3D. A new iPhone companion app lets you manage Vision Pro apps remotely. Guest mode is now easier to use, with saved settings for returning users. Improvements in travel mode and voice typing make everything smoother and more enjoyable to use. The Heimer Vision Venture is a modern concept van that gives a glimpse into the future of travel. Created with help from BASF, it mixes cool design and smart features. Its outside looks smooth and futuristic, made with special materials. Inside, there's plenty of space, including a pop-up roof for more headroom. It has a sleek kitchen with modern tools, a bright lounge for relaxing, and a bathroom that feels like a mini spa, complete with a rainfall shower. This van combines comfort, style, and smart living, ideal for people who want to travel in luxury while staying eco-friendly.